Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Back to the Grom Chronicles, trying to get this thing up. Man, it's hot. A couple times. I'm really starting to get the hang of it, man. I'm telling y'all. Oh, watch this. I got one for y'all. I got one for y'all. I'm starting to get it. I'm kind of chasing them out right now. I gotta get the balance point, man. Alright, here go full send. We're going full send on this one. So hopefully we won't fall off. And I'm gonna just go for it now. Get it. Give it, you gotta give me something. Yeah. That was the one, man. It was bound to happen. Let's see the damage, people. I'm glad I was recording too. I had it though. Let's see. I don't know what this is. Oh, mirror's done. Oh, my pants are too. Damn, look at that. Probably bleeding under there. I knew today was gonna be the day that happened. I was starting to get too good, too confident. Let's see how everything look. Everything looked good though. Oh, my Zoom exhaust, brand new. Damn. I knew it was gonna fall on this side. Comes with the game, man. The crashes come with the game. My foot go, I don't know. But headlights going. My Zoom exhaust broke. Oh no. Not my NMDs. I just noticed my NMDs. I gotta get used to the no break up here. Alright, we'll leave on that note. If you enjoyed the video, if you like seeing me crash, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more Grom content, more Mustang content. Browse the channel for more, and most importantly, have a nice day.